Greetings all. SJR State is pleased to introduce the new MySJR State portal. This new platform is a more user-friendly experience to help you access Canvas, banner, departmental forms, and information. Be sure to explore each box or card for your go-to links, including your email, the college website, the employee dashboard for your leave balances, and the facility's work order. Our new favorite feature to the new portal is that it's mobile friendly. Notice how the page will adjust to fit your phone screen, giving you two options to navigate through the categories. Notice how some of the cards located at the top of the page are locked in place. Included in the unlock cards are employee announcements and college press releases. After exploring what links and resources each card includes, you can organize the unlock cards by clicking and moving to your preferred location. To remove cards, click on the bookmark icon. To re-add cards to your page, click on Discover More and select the cards you would like to return to the portal. Don't forget to check the event calendar and announcements regularly for SJR State athletic, cultural, and social events. We hope you enjoy the new SJR State portal.